Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. My name is Ben from AURAWOODS Comfort. Today, I would like to share our vision for the future of indoor comfort engineering. Traditionally, HVAC systems have been designed as separate pieces of equipment. We believe the future lies in connected systems that continuously improve comfort, indoor air quality, energy performance, and building operations. Our goal is simple: healthier buildings, better occupant experiences, and smarter building performance. The expectations placed on buildings today are changing rapidly. Occupants want healthier indoor environments. Building owners want lower operating costs. Governments are demanding greater energy efficiency and decarbonization. At the same time, building systems are becoming increasingly complex. The challenge is no longer installing equipment. The challenge is maintaining performance throughout the entire building life cycle. Many buildings are designed to perform well, and many are commissioned successfully. But once occupancy begins, performance often starts to drift. Indoor air quality changes, comfort becomes inconsistent, energy consumption increases, yet operators have very little visibility into what is actually happening inside the building. This is the gap we aim to solve. At AURAWOODS Comfort, we don't view HVAC as separate disciplines. We view the building as one connected ecosystem: ventilation, heating, cooling, indoor air quality, controls, and cloud intelligence. Each component contributes to a larger comfort strategy, because comfort is not created by a single product. Comfort is the result of integration. Traditional HVAC projects are often designed in separate silos. Heating focuses on temperature, cooling focuses on peak summer loads, ventilation focuses on code compliance, controls focus on equipment sequencing. Each discipline performs its own task, but no one truly owns comfort. The result is a handoff process. One discipline passes responsibility to the next, and important interactions are often missed. This can lead to inconsistent comfort, indoor air quality issues, energy waste, occupant complaints, and commissioning challenges. Comfort is not created through isolation, it is created through integration. Comfort is often misunderstood. Many people think comfort comes from heating or cooling. In reality, comfort is the result of multiple factors working together: temperature, humidity, fresh air, air quality, air movement, and occupant expectations. When one element is missing, comfort suffers. That is why connected engineering matters. Our vision is simple: connect equipment, connect data, connect decision making. When systems communicate with one another, buildings become smarter, performance becomes measurable, and improvement becomes continuous. The building evolves from a collection of equipment into an intelligent operating platform. Every project starts at a different place. Some clients prioritize indoor air quality, others focus on energy efficiency, some are driven by occupant comfort. Our ecosystem allows clients to start where they need to start and expand over time. Building intelligence becomes a journey, not a one-time project. There are three primary entry points: Eco, Air, Aura, and Comfort. Each solution addresses a different building challenge, but all three connect to the same cloud ecosystem. A client may begin with ventilation, another may begin with heating and cooling, a third may choose a fully integrated solution. No matter where the journey begins, everything remains connected and everything contributes to the same long-term building strategy. ECOAIR is our healthy air platform. It delivers continuous fresh air directly to occupied spaces. At the same time, it recovers energy from exhaust air to improve efficiency. ECOAIR improves indoor air quality, reduces carbon dioxide buildup, and helps create healthier indoor environments. It is especially effective in retrofit applications, where traditional centralized ventilation systems may be difficult or costly to install. Most importantly, ECOAIR serves as a foundation for connected building intelligence. Aura is our high-performance indoor comfort platform. It combines fresh air supply, indoor air quality management, energy recovery, ventilation, heating, and cooling into one integrated system. Instead of treating ventilation and thermal conditioning as separate equipment, Aura brings them together. This allows buildings to achieve stronger energy performance, better indoor air quality, and more stable comfort. Aura is designed for projects that require deeper building level performance. This includes multifamily buildings, net zero projects, passive house projects, commercial buildings, schools, healthcare facilities, and mid to high rise developments. For consultants, the value is clear. Aura simplifies system coordination. It supports green building objectives, and it helps deliver comfort, efficiency, and performance in one platform. In our traditional design, ventilation and heat pump conditioning are often handled by two separate systems. One system provides energy recovery ventilation. Another system provides heating and cooling. This creates more equipment, more coordination, more controls, and more installation complexity. Aura integrates these functions into one intelligent platform. It provides fresh air supply, indoor air quality management, energy recovery, ventilation, heating, and cooling. The workflow on the right shows how ventilation, energy recovery, and heat pump conditioning can work together inside one coordinated system. The result is simple: one platform, multiple functions, one intelligent system. Comfort is our suite-level heating and cooling platform for multifamily buildings. It is designed to deliver year-round comfort directly within each suite, quietly, efficiently, and with cloud-connected visibility. One of the key advantages of Comfort is installation simplicity. It does not require an outdoor condensing unit. It does not require a condensate drain. And the whole unit can be installed, accessed, and serviced from indoors. This makes Comfort especially valuable for existing condo buildings, apartment retrofits, multifamily housing electrification projects, and buildings replacing aging PTAC systems. For building owners and consultants, this means less exterior work, less disruption, simpler installation, and easier long-term maintenance. The value proposition is very clear. Comfort delivers individual suite comfort while also supporting building-level intelligence. This means each occupant gets better comfort, and the building owner gets better visibility. This is one of the most important problem statements in the presentation. Traditional HVAC follows a familiar life cycle: design, install, commission, and handover. But after handover, visibility is often lost. Once the building is operating, the owner may not know whether indoor air quality is healthy. They may not know whether occupants are comfortable. They may not know whether energy is being wasted, and they may not detect equipment issues until a failure or complaint occurs. The result is reactive and costly. Occupants complain, service calls are made, investigations begin, and repairs happen only after the issue has already affected operations. The key message is simple. Most buildings become invisible after handover, and you cannot manage what you cannot see. This slide introduces AURAWOODS Cloud Intelligence. The platform collects data from ECOAIR, Aura, and Comfort. Then it turns equipment data into building performance intelligence. The cloud layer supports real-time monitoring, energy analytics, indoor air quality analytics, equipment diagnostics, continuous commissioning, portfolio benchmarking, occupant experience visibility, and operational optimization. Different stakeholders can access the same source of truth: occupants, service contractors, mechanical consultants, and building owners. This creates a connected, centralized, and intelligent approach to comfort and building performance. In many buildings, each stakeholder only sees part of the picture. The occupant feels comfort issues. The service contractor sees service requests. The consultant understands the design assumptions. And the building owner sees cost and performance outcomes. But these perspectives are often disconnected. AURAWOODS Cloud brings them together. It creates one shared intelligence layer. That means decisions are no longer based on isolated information. They are based on shared building performance data, accessible to the people who need it. This is how we move from fragmented operation to coordinated building intelligence. The dashboard shown here is a sample interface. The data is illustrative only. The purpose is not to present a real project record. The purpose is to show how comfort, indoor air quality, energy performance, system health, trend charts, commissioning validation, and active alerts can be viewed together. On the right side, the continuous commissioning cycle shows the process: monitor, analyze, optimize, verify, and document. This gives engineers and operators a practical tool to understand building performance and to take action before small issues become major problems. This is how data becomes operational value. Traditionally, commissioning happens once at project completion. After that, the project team walks away. Over time, performance can drift, occupant complaints can appear, and service calls become reactive and costly. The AURAWOODS approach is different. We commission, monitor, analyze, optimize, and repeat throughout the building lifecycle. Commissioning is not just an event at the start, it becomes an ongoing process every day. Traditional HVAC ends at handover. Connected comfort begins at handover. In traditional building operation, the sequence is familiar. A problem occurs, a complaint is received, a service call is dispatched, an investigation begins, and finally, the problem is repaired. The building team responds after the issue has already happened. Connected building operation changes that sequence. It starts with data, then insight, then prediction, then prevention, and finally optimization. With connected data and analytics, we can identify patterns, we can detect early warning signs, and we can act before occupants experience discomfort. The best service call is the one that never happens. The traditional engineering approach treats heating, cooling, ventilation, and controls as separate systems. Each system works when needed, but they often operate in silos. As a result, performance can drift and comfort can become inconsistent. Connected comfort engineering brings these functions together: heating, cooling, ventilation, cloud intelligence, analytics, continuous commissioning, and occupant experience, all connected into one coordinated approach. The goal is clear. All systems work together. Data drives decisions, and comfort is continuous. Comfort is measurable. If it cannot be measured, it cannot be improved. Comfort is monitorable. If it cannot be monitored, it cannot be managed. Comfort is optimizable. If it cannot be analyzed, it cannot be optimized. Our commitment is simple: apply data, engineering, and technology to create indoor environments that are healthy, efficient, reliable, and continuously better. This is the foundation of our connected comfort strategy. Thank you for your time and attention. We welcome your questions, discussion, and ideas. If you have questions about our technologies, we would be happy to discuss them. If you are interested in collaboration, we would welcome that conversation. And if you have specific project opportunities, we would be glad to explore how AURAWOODS Comfort can support them. Our closing message is simple: one ecosystem, multiple equipment platforms, one cloud intelligence layer. Thank you.